Hello, my beautiful crafting community. First, I want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, and for simply being here. It means the world to me. As you may have noticed, I have been away for some time, and I feel it's only fair to share why. This video is a bit more personal, but I promise it's leading to something exciting and new. The truth is, I've been navigating some heavy moments with my mental health. Moments that felt like I was carrying the weight of the world, but hiding behind a mask. For so long, I wore that mask, trying to be who I thought I should be, happy, encouraging, uplifting, but underneath, I was truly struggling. It reminds me of the late Robin Williams, a man who made the world laugh while he's silently facing his own battles. Like him, I felt torn between being the light for others and fighting my own darkness. Thankfully, I had someone who refused to give up on me, my therapist, Catherine. She saw something in me that I could not see in myself, and to her, I owe her so much. And I'm so grateful to have her as a part of my life. Through this journey, I learned something profound. We can't help others fully unless we are honest with ourselves. True connection comes not just from sympathy, but empathy. I realized that the purpose behind Segura's craft was never about numbers or profits or perfection. It's about creating something meaningful. It's about being a part of someone's life, even for a moment, and bringing joy through creativity. Now, I want to share some exciting news with you. I am taking everything that I've learned, the struggles, the triumph, and all the creative joy, and pouring it into something new. I am starting my own business in the craft industry. The heart of this business is to build a community where creativity thrives, where we embrace self-acceptance and self-love, and we inspire each other to create with a purpose. It's not just about selling products, it's about fostering connections and sharing the joy of crafting. I want every piece of this business to reflect those values, bringing people together in a meaningful way. I believe crafting is more than just a hobby. It's a way to heal, to express, and to connect. That's the mission behind this business. I'll be working on collaborations with other industry creators, focusing on projects that inspire unity, self-love, and positivity. I can't wait to share what's in store with you all. Right now, I'm in the process of securing funds to bring this dream to life. It's a journey, and as many of you know, it takes time. But once everything is in place, I'll be announcing the official opening date. I'm so excited for what's ahead, and I hope you'll join me as we build something truly special together. My website, by the way, is currently under renovation as I transition to a system that better aligns with my new vision. I'll also be announcing my video schedule soon, so stay tuned for that. Together, we'll create and inspire and remind ourselves of the beauty in this world. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Whether we continue walking this path together or part ways here, please know it has been an honor to share this space with you. I wish you happiness, peace, and creativity in all that you do. Until next time, stay kind, stay creative, and remember, you are beautiful, you matter, and your life is the art of this world. See you soon.